Hey there, what's up YouTube? I was trying to pimp my channel the other day and I thought, why not getting a nice and not professional logo? Well, with Placeit it's super easy to create a memorable YouTube profile picture with a YouTube logo maker for your channel. I mean, of course you could use your own picture. But this is about creating an iconic and a sleek brand as well. Placeit's templates are ideal for any concept you have in mind. You're sure to find a style that suits you. Plus, you'll get a chance to explore and customize as many templates as you want until you create the one that really represents your channel. Use the text boxes on the left to write down your message. Get rid of them by clicking this square here. Then, change the color and the font style to your liking. For this template, you have the option to customize your character. So, select a nice pair of eyes with the eyebrows, simple, mascara, or with super long eyelashes. And then select the hairstyle, punk, fabulous, trendy or classic. On the right, you can play with the accent, mane, and the face color to personalize your template. Now add an accessory and then a nice and expressive mouth. What I love about this mockup is that you are literally playing and creating your brand image to your liking at the same time, and you don't even feel it because in a matter of minutes it's all done. Change the background. And finally, click on the download button to get your image ready to be used. And remember that with your limited subscription, you can create not only one, but all the mockups that you wish for only $29 a month. And this is our final result, perfect quality and a beautiful design. Placeit's YouTube Profile Picture Maker takes the hard work out of creating a great profile picture for your channel. Each profile picture maker is carefully designed to be the exact resolution and size you need. Not only that, Placeit also has design templates, mockups, and videos that are super useful for aspiring YouTube channels. Create a YouTube profile picture worthy of your channel without having to spend a lot of time or even money on it. If you fell in love with the template that I used on this video and you just feel the need to use it right now, find the link to this template and our blog in the description box. Also, you can check out our other YouTube videos to get an idea of what you can really create with Placeit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hey, why not? Hit that bell button. See you later.